Alright, so in this video, we're going to be going through the best places you can use to get real Dubai chocolate from. So the good news, Dubai has some seriously good chocolate. So whether it's the fancy camel milk type or those really viral pistachio stuffed bars. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best spots to grab some without even needing to hop on a plane. So the first one is Al Nasma. So if you're after something authentically Dubai, this is the best brand. Al Nasma makes luxury camel milk chocolate, super creamy, a little nutty and totally unique. So you can order straight from their official site or check them out on Amazon UAE if you want quicker delivery. And the next one is Mezam chocolate. So if you're into bean to bar chocolates with flavors inspired by the Middle East spice trade, Mezam is a must try. They've got stuff like saffron, dates and cardamom infused bars. So you can grab them from their site or order via fnp.ae or even Deliveroo UAE. Okay, and finally, if you've seen those Dubai chocolate bars with pistachios and nafi filling on TikTok, you're probably wondering where to get them. Well, a few brands actually make them, and here's where you can actually get them. So you definitely have to check out Snooks Candies, Palm Bites, and Whimsy Chocolates. And there you go. So there's totally no need to get on a flight. Just try checking out some of these sites and get yourself some authentic Dubai chocolate. So that wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.